Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Maury. Happy birthday to me. It's not Poo Poo's birthday, it's my birthday. It's our birthday. I'll be 56. Well, I am 56. At 48 or something when I came out of my mom's womb. She's got Alzheimer's. She don't remember her own birthday. And that's really okay, because I only need God and Jesus, really. It's pretty simple. And of course, Poo Poo. Yeah, I really wish I knew her birth date. I know she's around 40. Give or take, maybe a year or two. So, no big deal. To me, birthdays are like Christmas. They're very important individually, you know. God and Jesus, they're a personal God. That's what most people don't get. They wait for divine intervention, and that's the only way they'll believe in anything. Just like the UFOs, you know, they're not going to believe it until it lands on the White House lawn. How fucking stupid do you have to be to think that this is all there is in the world? This really short time on this earth, and these people think that this is the only thing around. It's called supernatural, folks, for a reason. We only see 10% of the light spectrum. There's so much out there all around us. Germs, spirits, parasites. Well, we have a lot of those everywhere. Replace money as your God with Jesus. All you gotta do is open your heart. It's really fucking easy. The best thing I ever fucking did, man. I am unafraid. Let's go heart attack. I'm gonna fucking ride till I die. Maybe I'll die while I'm riding. That would be fucking amazing.